Hi everyone! In today's class, it's a very special class because my kids are joining. So say hi, Mateo. You can wave. Say hi, Alexa.
Hello.
So what we are going to do today is a family yoga class. So if you have any props you'd like to play with, we are going to play with blocks and we are just going to have fun with it.
Hello, my name is Mateo Carlos Bernardo Andaya. I am 8 years old and my favorite color is black, green, and blue, but mostly black. A fun fact about myself is that you can make funny faces like this. Bye.
Hello, my name is Alexa, and my favorite color is pink, and I like yoga because it's fun.
So our class will be a very short but fun class, and also know that the kids will also give suggestions. So if you're doing this with your kids or with your family, feel free to have fun with it, and if they want to play around, you can always incorporate that in class. Okay, so we'll start seated. Are you guys ready? Yeah, can you cross your legs? How about let's change the crossing of our legs. Bring the other leg in front.
I am left-handed, so I'm taking my left foot.
Okay, that sounds good. And then can we bring our hands together in front of the heart?
Okay.
And then can we try to sing the Namaste song? The one that I teach for kids? Ready? Yeah, we are. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Namaste for everyone. Namaste to you. Namaste to everyone. Let your light shine through. Good job, guys. Okay, how about let's do butterfly pose. Can you put your feet together?
If you like the song, give us a like.
Yeah. All right. Bring the soles of the feet together and then can we flap our wings like a butterfly? Okay. Like a butterfly. How about let's do it slow? There's butter. Let's do it slow. So it should be fun doing family yoga or kids yoga with your family, right? Okay, now can we flap our wings maybe a little bit faster?
Medium fast.
Medium fast. And then can we try to lift our arms up? Arms up and then shake the arms. Shake the arms.
One more time like you're pollinating, do this.
Oh, let's do that as you wiggle your knees. Good job, guys. All right, and then can we hold on to our legs. Okay, now this time, can we draw circles? Circles with the body. Let's make it a big circle or a small circle. How are you doing, Alexa?
Good.
Good. How are you doing, Mateo?
Good.
Good. Okay, now this time, can we go the other direction, drawing those circles with the body, making it a big circle, or you can make it a small circle, right? Hey, don't forget to breathe. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose.
If you're getting dizzy doing this or watching us do it, then you could pause it and take a break or stop, watch it for a little while so you could stop getting dizzy.
That's a very good suggestion. Thank you, Matt. All right, now we'll come back to center. Okay, can we hug our knees in towards the chest? Okay, can we cross the legs? And then let's shift forward. Let's come to our tabletop. All right, now can we? Yeah.
Or like an actual table.
Yeah. And then can we, or we can start going under. That's also an option. Can we start to wiggle our tail? Can you wag your tail?
Why does tables have tails?
Or because we're going to move into our downward facing dog. But before we do that,
Imagine one was just randomly farted.
oh my goodness, that might stink up the room. All right, now, can you stamp your strong hands on the mat? Curl the toes. Okay, and then can we lift our knees up? And then can we hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and then, wow, good job, Alexa. And then bring both hands down, and then can we come to our tent pose or our downward facing dog? Hi everyone, hi Matt.
If you
Hi,
want
Alexa.
to make this harder, grab a block or anything and then place it underneath you. To make it seem like you're in an actual tent and try to avoid the block.
Avoid the block. Good job. All right, are you also grabbing a block, Alexa? Okay, now this time, okay, can we try to walk our hands back? Okay,
And dodge the block.
dodge the block. Okay, and then can we stay folded? Can you hold on to your elbows? And then can we swing side to side? There you go.
Block to act like you're swinging a baby.
I like all of these options. All right.
Like this.
Oh. All right.
My
Now,
back's
can you let go of the baby? And then can you roll all the way up to standing? Good job. And then can we shake, shake, shake?
Stretch.
Oh, that's why we're stretching, right? Shake, shake, shake. Okay, hands on the hips. I like that. I like that. Okay, hands on the hips. Hands on the hips, and then let's do 3 hip circles. For 1,
This is just what we do
2,
in Taekwondo.
3, and then 3 circles other direction. 1,
And what are you doing?
2, and 3. Good job. And then can you shake, shake, shake? Okay, can we reach our arms up to the ceiling? And then can you touch your toes or tickle your toes? Yeah. Oh, yeah, we can play around with that later, but let's warm up. Hands on your legs, and then can you smell the flowers? Smell the flowers, and then bend your knees. Get your hands down, and then can we
blow the cake.
blow the cake, and then we'll come into plank. Hold here for 5. Get the knees lifted. 4, 3, or if you want to make it challenging, lift one arm up, lift the other leg up, and one leg up, and then let's find. Good job, Alexa. Let's find downward facing dog. Downward facing dog.
Facing dog.
Hey, but we're going to walk back again. Alexa, bring your right foot down. Okay, walk your hands back. Walk your hands back. Can we smell the flowers? Smell the flowers? Blow the candle. And then tickle your toes. Well, make sure you're standing. And then reach our arms up towards the ceiling. Shake, shake, shake. And then hands back by the sides. Okay, do you think we can do that 2 more times?
No.
No? All right. Reach for the ceiling. Oop, I touched your plant. Reach for the ceiling. Tickle our toes. Smell the flowers. Blow the candle.
I'm gonna do up dog.
Okay. Bend the knees. Bring the hands down. Crawl forward. We'll find our plank. And then this time, bring the knees down. Lower all the way down. Belly down. Chest down. Okay, so as requested by Kuya Matt, we'll do up dog.
Mom,
All right.
how about my request?
Oh yeah, we'll do that later. Okay, can you wiggle? Can you wiggle like a worm first? Wiggle like a worm, and then yeah, wiggle like a worm. Stay on there. We'll come up into our up dog. Lift up. There you go, and then stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then let's lift up into our downward facing dog. Okay, breathe in through the nose.
Or downward facing head.
Make sure you lift your head up. There, and then breathe out. One more. Breathe in through the nose. And then breathe out. Okay, walk the hands back. All the way back. Let's smell the flowers again. Smell the flowers. Blow the candle. Tickle your toes. And then reach for the sky all the way up. Shake, shake, shake. And then hands down. All right, last round. Okay, for our warm-up.
Wait,
Yeah.
before we continue, I have this saying called
Yeah?
pace.
What's your saying?
Positive attitude changes everything.
Ah, I like that. Pause.
I know.
Pause and
Positive attitude changes everything.
positive attitude changes everything. So I like that. All right, thank you for that advice. Okay, one more round.
There are messages coming from something.
Well, then it's okay to use it and share it, right?
Yeah.
All right. One more. Reach for the ceiling. Tickle our toes all the way down. Let's smell the flowers. Blow the candle. Bend the knees. And then can we crawl forward? Go forward to our plank. Okay.
What are we doing now?
The plank. We'll try to do Alexa's suggestion. Okay, hold here for 5,
Stop.
4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. All right. Now,
Mine.
yeah, since you guys want to play around with blocks, this is what we're going to do. Okay.
Named it.
Yeah, there we go. Kuya Matt, can I borrow the other blocks so I can show them first? I'll lend it to you. All right, so this is what you'll do. If you have blocks like we do if you have at home, Okay, make sure that you're pressing down on the blocks, what Alexa is doing, and then grip the blocks and then lift up and then swing. And then you can play around. All right, Kuya Matt, do you want to try it? Hey, if you don't have blocks, press away from the palm, from the mat, and then lift up.
And then if you can't,
Yeah.
if you can't do it, just practice.
Yeah, keep on
and
practicing.
Keep on trying, which is also another way to practice.
There we go. All right.
Did this me? No,
Oh!
it's to me.
All right. So it's fun.
You should try to do it.
Oh, I think it will be more stable if it's at that block height.
Wait.
There we go. Matt, flip the blocks down so that it's more stable. There you go.
Oh.
But come off the blocks. Come off the blocks. All right. So another option, can you borrow? Can you borrow the block, please? One each.
Try this one.
So if you have props, you can definitely play around.
Try that
Make
or
sure.
try like
Yeah.
But just don't fall.
All right. One thing you can play around with your blocks. Grip the blocks. Cross the legs. And then push down on the blocks as you lift up. There you go. You have to hug the knees in.
Fly like a bird and go back to your other pose and then fall.
Do you want to play around with the blocks? Yeah?
This is how a baby claps. Ow.
All right. So how about,
Wait, look. First we do.
yeah?
And then we sit.
Wow, that's pretty amazing, Alexa. Okay, so how about let's start to relax. Okay, let's set the blocks off to the side. Let's return the blocks. You can return the blocks.
I'm gonna put the box with my spine.
Okay, and then let's come into child's pose. Okay, come into tabletop, and then let's sit back. Okay, remember, can we be like a rock? Okay, open your arms around your legs.
Don't do the mountain, please.
Yeah, okay. We'll breathe in and out. Okay, let's stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can start to wiggle your hips, and then we'll slowly come up to seated. Good job. All right, can we bring our legs in front? Okay, can we straighten out the legs? Inhale, reach for the ceiling. And then can we tickle our toes? Can I tickle your toes? Inhale, reach up. Exhale, tickle your toes, or I'll tickle your toes. One more. Inhale. Oh, come all the way up. And then exhale. And then let's hold here. Can you hold on to your feet for 5, or hold here? 4, 3, 2, and 1.
For holding your foot.
What's your suggestion for lifting up? All right, now,
Just bend your knees.
one of my favorite parts, how about let's breathe together? Okay, can you cross your legs? Yeah, cross the legs. Can you bring one hand to your tummy, then one hand to your heart? Okay, imagine we're filling up a balloon. Ready? Okay, can we breathe in? And then breathe out. But don't hold your breath. All right, let's smell the flowers. Blow the candle. All right, 2 more times. Can we relax? Smell the flowers. Blow the candles. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. All right, good job, guys. All right, now this time, can we try to lie down on our mats? Okay, can we turn around? Let's lie down.
Like this.
Matt, what's in your nose? Wow, are we doing bridge? Are we coming to a back bend? And then slowly come down. All right, okay. Bend your knees. Bend your knees.
I'm just going to try to do bridge.
Yeah, but hands here. Hands here. Let's wheel pose. Bring your hands beside. Okay. And then let's lift our hips up. Can you lift your butt up? And then lower down. 2 more times. Lift the butt up. Lower down. 1 more. Lift the butt up. And lower down. Okay, let's do windshield wipers. Can we swing our knees to the left? Come up and swing to the right. We have to do it together. Lift up. Swing to the left. Lift up. Swing to the right. Okay. Come back to center. Can we hug the knees in? Can we become a ball? Lift up. And then hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then lower down. Can we lie down? Can we lie down? But in this time, can we try to hold hands? Okay, straighten out your legs. Come on. All right. We'll hold hands. Lie down. Let's hold hands. Okay, close our eyes. Okay, now as we stay here, can we breathe in through the nose? And then breathe out through the nose. Okay, as we relax on our mat. All right, so keeping our eyes closed, can we try to relax on the mat as we hold each other's hands? Okay, can we breathe in and breathe out? 2 more times, breathing in and breathing out. 1 more, inhale and exhale. Okay, this time we'll start to wiggle our fingers, wiggle your toes, and then can you start to reach your arms over the head? Nice big stretch. Nice big stretch. And then can you hug your knees in? Hug the knees in. And then can we try to rock up? Or 1, 2, and 3. Rock up. There we go. And then let's turn around.
Can you try this?
Okay, we'll do it later. All right, but we have to close the class together. Okay, can we crisscross applesauce? Can we sit up nice? Yeah, sit up nice and tall. Okay, can we bring our hands together in front of the heart? Okay, and then can we bring our hands to our head? Okay, repeat after mommy. May we all have kind thoughts. Bring our hands to our lips. May we all speak kind words. Bring our hands to our heart. May we all do kind deeds. Okay, namaste.
Let us all stay at home.
So I hope you had fun with that. I know I did. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Then I could do this now.
And you can do that now. And I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody. 1, 2, 3. Like and subscribe.
And leave a nice comment down below in the comment section.
In the comment section. Sonic section.